Your Zendesk automations broke overnight and nobody got a notification. Tickets are piling up, your team is scrambling, and you have no idea what changed. The audit log can tell you exactly what happened. The Zendesk audit log is a complete record of every configuration change in your account since it was created. It tracks automations, triggers, macros, and views, so you always know who changed what and when. Each audit log entry captures the timestamp, the person who made the change, their IP address, and a description of exactly what was modified. No more guessing, just clear answers. Getting there is simple. Head to Admin Center, then Account, then Logs, and select Audit Log. You will need admin permissions and an enterprise plan to access it. A busy account generates hundreds of events daily. Use the filter drawer to set your date range, activity type, and item type to zero in on exactly the automation change you need. Need to share audit data with stakeholders or document changes for compliance? Click Email CSV to get your filtered results sent straight to your inbox, with one export allowed per minute. When tickets suddenly stop auto-closing, the audit log is your detective. Filter for rule updates in the past 30 days, and check the activity column to see if someone modified conditions or accidentally disabled a rule. For teams that need automated monitoring, the Zendesk API gives you full access to audit logs. Build custom dashboards, set up Slack alerts on rule changes, and correlate audit data with security events programmatically. Make audit reviews part of your regular workflow. Run monthly reviews, document the reason behind every change, test in Sandbox first, and coordinate across admins to avoid conflicting automations. But here's the problem. The audit log is fundamentally reactive. It only catches issues after they have already impacted your customers, and it requires someone to remember to check it regularly. Instead of debugging broken automations after the fact, eesel AI builds intelligent routing from the start. AI triage automatically tags and routes tickets, while AI agent resolves up to 81% of routine issues end-to-end. Ready to stop debugging automations and start preventing problems? Try eesel AI free for 7 days, no credit card required, and let AI handle ticket routing while you focus on what matters.